Good afternoon, sir, and my worthy friends. My name is Arman. Today, our presentation session is going on, and topic is major crime in India and its solution. So, first of all, I would like to tell you what is crime. The work that is done against the law is called crime. There are some kind of crime I'm about to tell you: murder, robbery, kidnapping, corruption, crime against the women, and cybercrime, etc. Murder. The report of NCRB says that 80 murders happen every day. Robbery. In 2019, 31,000 cases had reported. Kidnapping. Kidnapping is getting increased day by day. 60,000 case had reported for kidnapping. The Ministry of Child and Women says that every 10 minutes lost one child. Corruption. Corruption is also increasing day by day. We can see that report of World Corruption Index, India was 86th rank out of 180 countries in 2020. And crime against the women, dowry system. Dowry system, it is nowadays it is a trend. It has been coming for century. Because of it, every day 20 women deaths. And second part is rape. Rape is the one of the biggest crime in India. That's why women are not safe in India. Because of it, every day 90 rape case registered in India. Domestic violence. Domestic violence is that tortured by family member. We, you, you can see that here and there many times husband beats his wife and they torture her physically and mentally. I can give you one example of Aisha. Aisha was Aisha was physically and mentally tortured by her husband. That's why he decided to die. And next is child marriage. Girls are considered a headache in our country. That's why 40% of married girls are married before 18 years. UP has highest UP has highest crime against the women. I can give you one example. Recently happened recently happened this gang rape, Hathras Hathras gang rape. We all know that. If any people try to rape of any woman and takes dowry, then according to section 376, 375 and 498 A IPC, then they will have beaten, then they will have punished it. So I'm telling you behind the reason of AIDS. First reason is poverty and unemployment. Second reason is nowadays nowadays people wants to make people wants to earn money too much in short term. That's why they are doing this kind of crimes like murder, rape, drug smuggling, etc. Third, society. If any child live in terror society, then they will get elder, then most probably they will do this. And fourth, family situation. And fifth, lack of education. And sixth, slow judiciary system. I can give you some example of slow judiciary system. Vishnu, he had to live in jail 20 years because of fake allegation. And I'm telling you that person, all people are know about him, Nombi Narayan. He had to he had to beaten he had to beat 15 days constantly because of fake allegation. And at la- and I'm about to tell you its solution. First, we will have to strong we will have to make strong our judiciary system. Second, government should government should make new policy government should make new job policy for to finish the unemployment. And third, government should adopt the Saudi Arabian law to finish the rape from our country. And third, we will have to educate the every single person. Thank you.